Aya, listen. I am one mocked by his friends. Ooh. Who called on God and he answered him. The just and the blameless. The just and blameless, who is ridiculed. Oh, now you see vile anasema. As in, enyewe. You see, even in the beginning, we saw for sure this man is righteous, is blameless, he fears God and shuns evil. And now in this moment, hata yeye mwenyewe is being tested in a very heavy way, because tunaona this guy he has lost everything. He has boils from the sole of his feet to the crown of his head. Kwa hivyo, if you try to really explain what is going on, hata uwezi. Like, the one you find these ones, they're actually mocking him instead of even like having that kind of like compassion. And that is why it is very important when you are in Christ to actually be in Christ fully. Usikue kwa Christ nusu-nusu. Hata kama uko nusu-nusu, desire and pray and go in more, do more. Work out your salvation. Do go in Christ fully, so that these things will be clear to you. You see? You see, in these situations, and that is why it is very important as a believer to keep working out your salvation. And I told you, work out your salvation so that your spirit man will be strong as possible. So that when the day of trouble comes, you will be able to fight. Now you see this one, the day of trouble has come to Job. But you see, because his friends cannot really see in the spiritual, now then they're trying to like nini it in the ile macho ya kawaida. And you see this thing, it is by faith. It is not by explaining or trying to like figure it out. You see? So that is why, for sure, hata unaona anasema enyewe, he called on God and God answered him, because the prayers of a righteous man are very important to God. Mungu hata anasikizanga righteous man more than hiyo kitu utagundua, even those who are righteous, wale wenye wako in salvation, utagundua. Even hata mimi mwenyewe nimeanza kugundua maombi zangu ni kama okay, actually hata sifai kusema hii.